we will review this video marketing blaster. So 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube and get a tidal wave of free targeted traffics instantly without knowing SEO, without building backlinks, or writing any content. How to use Video Marketing Blaster? Now, I have already purchased this product. We will make it function. Okay, here. This is the Video Marketing Blaster. They have many products, but I only purchased the Video Marketing Blaster. So okay, let's share. First, if you are not familiar with this product, you can check the video tutorial. There is a video tutorial, you can play it, and here and here the explanation. Skip na lang na to na. We will use a keyword to check. Okay, example, this is my keyword. I put there. Here also research from search suggestion and check, then run. Wait for a minute or two. The software will scan the keyword you put in. So example, our keyword is Cebu City plumber. They have many plumber Cebu City contact number, plumber supplier in Cebu City, plumber job in Cebu City, and this is the rank, source, and search results. Example, master plumber review, Cebu plumber, Mandawi City, Cebu. Okay, let's check. Another is plumbing supplier Cebu City, plumbing services Cebu City. Example, plumbing job in Cebu City. Okay, click hit search result for selected keywords. Look at the system. Okay. In Cebu plumber Mandawi City, Cebu, there's only 951 searches and competition. 951 competition video. Another plumbing job in Cebu City, 6,215. Another one is plumbing services Cebu City, is 1,206. So if you are looking for a very nice keyword, less competition, you can check this Cebu plumber Mandawi City, Cebu. But you are looking on Cebu City plumber, so it's better you use this plumbing services Cebu City. The search here Cebu City plumber is not found in here. Plumber Cebu City, plumbing Cebu City. Any of these 3 keywords, you can use it and make a video or an articles. Plumbing services Cebu City. Uncheck, make it clear, so only the plumbing services. Click this copy to clipboard, and we're going to video details. Here, video details. I put the keyword into this from competitors. here in the middle keyword, paste, then hit click the start generating. Okay, the script is start generating, gathering keyword and sentences. As you can see, I have already creating a video for this keyword. Okay, finish. Our plumbing services Cebu City, and this is automatic, but you can select here suggested title, uh, plumbing services in Cebu City, declogging plumbing services Cebu City, Cebu Plumbing Works. You can select plumbing high-rise condominium project. Uh, so example, you select this clogging. Declogging is the main problem. Maghanap sila ng plumber because of declogging. Okay, that's all. So if you're creating video, this is your title, this is your description, you can edit, and this is your keyword, another keyword, another suggested keyword. So example, Mandawi, Cordoba, Cebu City. Double click only. Double click, add, double click. So there are many keywords. Okay, that's all. Very easy. Let's find another keyword. Example, electrician. You want an electrician in Cebu City. Okay, go to the keyword, click here, very easy. All right, finish. Electrician, electrician Cebu City job hiring. Direct electrician, direct hiring, electrician salary. You have to find the correct keyword that you are looking. Oh, electrician Cebu City. That's it. Search. Okay, only 1,399 videos. That is your competition, no? YouTube competition. So if you're creating videos about electrician Cebu City, your video will be in number one rank in the YouTube. Check, copy clipboard, put in the video details, put her, start generating. Okay, wait for a minute. That is how easy, very easy to use this video marketing blaster. When you are creating YouTube video for product or anything you want, you find a keyword that is no competition in YouTube. Okay, a few minutes. Okay, finish. So same again, you have to select the suggested title, electrician Cebu City, the heart of Cebu City, and this is the description. You can edit and delete, and this is your tag. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. This is what I created about soursop, uh, paragis, moringa, bananas. It's very easy. Okay, thank you.